All right, here we go. Question number 12 from our 0314 homework number 6 in MyLab Math. And the instructions say multiply. So what I want you to notice here is that we have a monomial, the square root of 11 out front, that is one term. Inside the parentheses, we have 2 terms. This is a monomial times a binomial, and that means that we're going to have to use the distributive property. The square root of 11 is going to distribute to both terms in the parentheses. Now, to multiply radical expressions, it's a two-step process. What you do is you multiply the coefficients, and then if they both have a square root, you multiply the radicands together. So, for the first multiplication here, the coefficient of the square root of 11 out front, the coefficient is understood to be 1. And so that's going to be 1 times 4, which is 4. And the 4 does not have a square root part, so the square root of 11 comes along for the right. Next, for the square root of 11 times negative 8 square root of 11, we're going to multiply the coefficients. Negative 8 times 1 is negative 8. And since both of these do have a square root part, we're going to multiply the radicands together, okay? So the square root of 11 times the square root of 11 is the square root of 121. And now we're going to see if we can simplify further. So I've got 4 square root of 11. The square root of 11 does not simplify. But over here in the second term, we've got negative 8 times square root of 121. And the square root of 121 is 11. So that will simplify. And then we can go one more step. We've got 4 square root of 11 minus 8 times 11, which is 88. Now let's read the instructions to see if we need to factor. Simplify your answer. Type an exact answer. Using radicals as needed. I think this is correct. And so just for fun, let's grab the class whiz and see if it'll do this for us, okay? So we had square root of 11, move out from under, parentheses 4 minus 8, square root of 11, move out from under, and equals. OMG, look at that. Now it gives the answer in a different order, but it is giving the answer we got, negative 88 plus 4 square root of 11. And in case you're wondering, does it matter what order I input it in? The answer is no. It doesn't matter which order we put it in. So I'm going to go 4 square root of 11, move out from under, minus 88. And we're done. So I hope that was helpful. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to put those in the comment section below, or you can text me. And thanks for watching.